ingeskakel op Radio Hoëveld, wat vanaf Johannesburg op die volgende FM-frequenties uitsaai. 94,0, 94,7 en 95,2 MHz.
Vriendschapsstatie van vroeg tot laat. If you're in your car or out at the poolside, taking kids on a holiday fun ride, Radio Highveld keeps you company. Playing your song and beat all too long, you tap your feet to the beat of the music. Day and night your favorite music. Radio Highveld keeps you company. You'll never be alone if you tune in, yeah. Get dressed, come down to breakfast. Your coffee's getting cold, it's getting cold. The toast is burning, it's your time for tuning into Radio Highveld. Weather is cold, windy or fine, time to breakfast, supper or dine. Stay tuned to FM all day long. On Highveld, you can never go wrong. Just a simple reminder, you tune your station, find it to Radio Highveld. Are you feeling low today? Highveld plays your cares away. If you're feeling low today, Highveld plays your cares away. Highveld plays your cares away. Highveld plays your cares away. Feeling great, feeling fine. Stay tuned to Highveld and have a good time. You got a friend with Highveld, a friend to listen to, with music and news and personal views, especially for you. You've got a friend with Highveld, the friendship station, tune into you. You got a friend with Highveld, the friendship station, tune into you. The friendship station, tune into you. Radio Highveld.
Your friendship station, Radio Highveld. We're here all day and most of the night until midnight, and it's so nice to have you with us.
Hoeveel zal altijd bij jou staan, hier zomer weer, of een koude winternacht. Schakelen op Hoeveld, bij Radio Hoeveld, is het altijd een prachtige zonschijndag. We'll see you through the summer rain, we'll be with you through the cold, clear winter nights. Tune in to Highveld at Radio Highveld. We'll make the seasons all go right for you.
When you drive by the dam, take Radio Highveld too. We'll make the drops and boulevards go with the swing. Ooh, Radio Highveld. Highveld tells you about traffic on the M1. Tells you about horses on the run. The latest news, music you would choose, and lots of things to keep you Highveld happy all day long. Radio Highveld is sending a smile to the cities and the country. Remember, we're on your dial. Ooh, Radio Highveld.
die stad tot die veld, is jou dag vandag. O Radio Hoëveld.
Luister naar de Hoëveld. Maandag, dinsdag, zondag, elke dag de Hoëvelddag. Music every day now, in the Highveld way now, tuning to the Highveld sound. Singing on the long now, Highveld for a happy time sound.
O, u moeg en afgemaakt, uitgeput en ziek en zat, Hoëveld schakelt vreugde aan. Bright and breezy, slow or blue, Highveld's got the music for you. Highveld is always there for you.
Waar die workers staan op druk, er is altijd dinkies op Hoëveld. Waar die gaan en waar die wacht, Radio Hoëveld vermaakt heel dag. Highveld is a friend indeed, with all the music you'll ever need. Fast and funky or sweet and slow, Radio Highveld always on the go.
Van die Drakensberg tot Megaliesberg en tot by Kimberley. Radio Hoëveld sing heel dag met musiek vir jou en my. When you're driving in your car and that distance seems so far, just keep your eyes on the road ahead. Let Radio Highveld take you there. In die aand, na 'n heerlijke dag, speel ons muziek tot laat in die nacht op Radio Hoëveld. Monday's washing day, Tuesday shopping day, every day's music day on Radio Highveld.
Tune that dial to Radio Highveld.
Stay in tune with Highveld.
Tune that dial to Radio Highveld.
And that's the end of Melody Menu this Saturday afternoon. The 2:30 news, 3 minutes from now, and then it's Highveld Afternoon.
If you are feeling lonely, don't you forget we care. Radio Highveld is your friend on the air.
Hello, Highveld.
There we go. Monday morning it is. Goodness gracious. After a wonderful weekend, time to say good morning again on Monday the 23rd of March. Good morning from me on the Foss, by the way. This is Hello Highveld, and we're going through until 8:30 this morning. Janie, goeiemôre van Ion de Vos. Welkom by Hallo Hoëveld vir Maandag die 23ste Maart. En so na 'n heerlike naweek dink ek gaan dit sommer 'n lekker Maandag wees. Niks blou vanmôre vir ons.
Goeienaand en 'n hartlike welkom na Hoëveld Versoeke. No, it's not Bill Sharp, it's Marion Newton, hoping that you'll enjoy the music that you've requested this evening.
Hi, folks. We're privileged to have on the air Mr. Sparky, Battery Center's fearless 40 battery fighter. Sparky, are you and the boys from Battery Center winning the flat battery feud?
You bet. We're providing free electrical checkups, recharging, accessories, and brand new, fully guaranteed SABS batteries at genuine discount prices. Battery Center, branches throughout the Republic.
Say something to the people, Sparky.
Battery Center, you'll get a spark out of us.
It's 11:30 on Radio Highveld, and here is the news read by Colin Houston. And that's the end of the news. Our next news broadcast may be heard on the all-night service at 12:30 in Afrikaans.
When Radio Highveld's in your home, you never need to be alone. Radio Highveld's always gonna be with you.
Dat ek nou net hierdie kenwysie van my so 'n bietjie afdraai. Dan kan ek vir u sê, dis nou 6:27. Ons kom aan die einde van vanmiddag se hierlangs huis toe. Perdewedrenne, weervoorspellings, plaat van die dag. Jy sê, boetie, dit was al my 6:30 hierdie. Ek meen tegnies gesproke nou. U sien dit nie, maar ek sê dit nou maar vir u. 6:27, and it's time for me, Sergeant Red, to say goodbye. Wish you a very pleasant evening. I think we must call Tuesday nights Vesey night on Radio Highveld, because it's all country and western. I've played a country and western record, and you're going to have more of it. The top 6 with a lot of money to be won in the top 6 jackpot. Van my dan, mooi loop en beste, hoor.
Lotus 87 Formula One, powered by a Cosworth Ford DF V8 engine, a 5-speed Hewland gearbox, and driven by men who understand quality. A quality that is reflected in every pack of John Player's Special King Size. Special Virginia cigarettes in an intriguing black and gold box. John Player's Special King Size. Some things in life have a special quality.
Now there's an oil that protects so well. You could drive from Cape Town to Bight Bridge to Durban and back to Cape Town. Again and again and again. 20,000 kilometers without an oil change. Mobil did it to prove the protection reserve of Mobil Super. Mobil Super. There's no better oil in the long run.
Hierlaas huis toe tyd 5:04 en byna 1:30. En hierdie verkeersverslag word aangebied deur Lindsay Suiker. Oor na jou, Roger.
Dankie, Sarel. Die probleem N3 Suid, M2 West, die voertuig staan nog op die kant van die pad. Lyk my daar's effens 'n probleem om die voertuig uit die pad uit te kry, want sy bande het heeltemal uitgebrand in dit. En hulle gaan 'n bietjie sukkel om die voertuig heeltemal van die snelweg af te kry. So dit lê Frans motoriste om baie versigtig te wees by die punt. Die botsing, Benskoman, Noordbaan, tussen Kolledreilaan en Wynberg afrit. Voertuig is nou heeltemal uit die pad uit, maar verkeer het heelwat teruggedam op die Noordbaan en die suidelike baan. Vra motoriste net om hulle voet te hou op die Benskoman op die punt. Boonbehalwe dit ken aan die versperrings, ingang en uitgang van die binnestad. Heelwat besig op die stadium, maar 'n goeie beweging op verkeer. Die meer terug nou nie as die eerste al.
Yes, thank you very much, Roger. So those of you on the M, or rather the M1 North Benskoman rather, please, just eyes front and keep moving.
Designed like a bullet, to go like a bullet. Test drive the new Passat at Lindsay Saker.
This traffic report was brought to you by Lindsay Saker.
Hier is hy, meneer Romanties, met 'n huldeblyk aan Lady Di. Richard Clayderman speel een van Suid-Afrika se gunsteling romantiese treffers. Jy het reg geraai, Kinders van die Wind. Luister daarna op Richard Clayderman se nuutste album Romance op plaat of kaset. Dit is so goed soos 'n lewendige vertoning. Slegs R8.88 eksklusief by
La prijzen, hoe dagen, beloftes van ons is beloftes van hoop.
And on Happy Maker Radio Highveld, Sunshine Music Station, 5:10, and this traffic spot is brought to you by Lindsay Saker, and it's over to you, Roger.
Thank you, Sardo. Looks like they are getting a little bit of work done on the N3 South to the M2 West. The mechanical horse has been taken off the trailer, and he's been taken out the road at this point in time. Hopefully the trailer will be taken out the way as soon as possible. The accident on the Benskemon northbound, traffic is still pulled back in both directions, northbound and southbound, but should be returning to normal within the next 5.
Is als verkeerd met niks strijd, voordat jullie zorgen weg. Als verkeerd in niks strijd, voordat jullie zorgen weg. Voordat jullie zorgen weg. Voordat jullie zorgen weg.
Just tuned in, you're tuned to Radio Highveld, your station with music and news, and don't forget the racing results. The program now, Highveld Afternoon. En dis 'n baie goeie middag van die gasheer Colin Flaxman tot 7:30 vanaand. En ons program nou is Hoofveld Middag op die Hoofveld. Highveld is well known for its music, so let's not waste any more time. 25 minutes to 3 o'clock.
Die nuus is verby en dis nou tyd vir ons middag op die Hoofveld. Yes, it's a lovely Highveld afternoon, and with you in the studio is Marion Newton and Chris the Brain.
Music, music, all the way on Radio Highveld.
In our program, Up Tempo Time. En dan moet ons alweer groet. Baie dankie van Ben Jonas en Leon van Vrede vir die saamluister. Ons is weer terug volgende week en tot dan alles van die beste tot die 6de en dieselfde tot die 11de.
Hartelijke goedenavond, lieve vrienden van Robben, 735 op Hoorveld. En welkom bij Franse Hoorveld Verzoeken. Yes, it's time for tonight's Highfield Request with your old friend Robin Alexander, and a very warm welcome to the program which takes us right through until 9:30.
Brings the time on Radio Highfield to exactly 6 o'clock, and our weather report this evening is brought to you with the compliments of Peter Stuyvesant Extra Mild Cigarettes.
In sunny California, cool sunsets raise the heat. In sparkling gay Vienna, they walk through a snow-time beat. How will the day be down your way? Here's what the weatherman has to say.
The weatherman in Pretoria has this to say, the Weather Bureau, in fact, about the Transvaal. Cloudy and cool over the eastern Transvaal with scattered rain or showers. Otherwise, partly cloudy and warm with isolated thunder showers, except over the southwestern parts, where it will be fine. The Free State and the Cape Province, north of the Orange River, and here you'll notice that I think the rain will go away just a little bit. Fine and warm, but partly cloudy over the northeastern half of the Free State. And now the temperatures. Firstly, today's maximum, and then tomorrow's expected minimum, round about 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. Petersburg, very interesting. Very low temperature because it was raining there this afternoon. 16 and 13. Pretoria, 20 and 14. Johannesburg, 19, 13. Nelspruit, also surprisingly low, 18 this afternoon, 16 tomorrow morning. Mafeking, 23 and 14. Bethlehem, 20 and 11. Bloemfontein, 22 and 12. Kimberley, 25, 14. And Uppington, 23 and 11. So all around the Highveld region, it seems as though the temperatures dropped slightly because of the rain. Sunset today will be at 12 minutes past 6, and sunrise tomorrow morning at 5:35.
It's 8:33 on Radio Highfield, and time for that super Sunday morning program of yours, Sunday Serenade. Sondag Serenade. Dis sy naam. Ja, daar kom hy nou deur. En die musiek wat ons gaan speel, wauw, dis dan pragtig.